Do you know you can claim any item on Temu for free? Yes, even the shipping is free. I just claimed mine. I got 2 pair of sneakers and 1 pair of glasses. I spent several hours to figure this out on how to also claim free gift from Temu. So this is a step-by-step on how to claim free gift from Temu Ghana Online Shopping. Why are we getting free gift on Temu? Temu just launched in Ghana, Nigeria, and some West African countries, and to get more customers, they also doing these free giveaways in order to also get more people to join their app and also shop with them. I'm Emmanuel, and I make videos about how to make money online and sometimes some things that you need to also know. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go. The first step is to click on the link in the comment section and also download the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you check the comment section because the referral code that will help you get this item for free will also be there. So simply click on the human-like icon down here, and what you want to do is to simply log in with your email address, your Google email, Facebook account, or any of the options that you see available to you. So click here and they will ask you for your email. Simply enter your email address here. Click on continue to also continue. They will ask you for a password that you want to use. After this is done, click on agree right here to take it and click on proceed or continue to also continue the registration. On the next page, simply enter in your mobile phone number right here. Now after this is done, a code will be sent to your mobile phone number. Make sure you also go into your message, check out the code and type it in here. They will ask you to verify your email. So simply verify your email right here. Click on verify user or verify new right here, and you can see an email will be sent. Come back here and type it in. Now after this is done, your account will be created successfully for you. After your account is created successfully, you can see all these items right here that you can also buy, but we are not here for that. We are here to also get free items. So let me show you how to also get free items on Temu Ghana Shopping. So you will see a pop-up screen like this. This is gonna be your first gift free. If you don't see this, simply go into the search bar right here and type in free gift. It will bring you to a page like this, and you will also go through this process by picking the items that you want to also get. So you can see all these real and all these fancy animations. Simply click on continue, and it will take you through to the final step where you'll be asked to also choose the free items that you want to also get. So you know, I'm using an iPhone for this, and I will get 3 free items, but sometimes you can also get 4 free items. So you can see all these items on the screen right here, ranging from smartwatches, wigs right here. You can see watches, sneakers, soccer ball. You can see Bluetooth speakers, trousers, and all these items right here that you can also choose from. So you can choose any 3 of these. Let me also brush through this so that I can also see how these items are and how many of them that you can see and also earn it for free. So I'll choose my first item right here. You can see when you choose the item, they will ask you for the specification, the size when it comes to shoes, as well as the colors that you want to also get. So here I just chose these sneakers right here, and you can see they will ask you for the size and the color. So I'll pick the size and the colors right here. This is my first item that is going to be on, and I'll pick my second item right here, and that is going to be this sneakers too. So you can see the same thing. They will ask you for the size and the colors as well. So I've picked 2 items. I'll pick the last one, which is the glasses right here. So I'll just go through and pick up the glasses that I also showed you earlier in this video. So after I pick up the glasses, you can see my items are now ready to also get them for free. So here are the rules. It's very simple. All you need to do is to also refer other friends who haven't registered on Temu yet to also register in order to also get your prize. Click on pay gift and also start inviting. After you click on it, this will bring you to the next page right here. Click on add a new address, and after I click on it, they will ask you for all these details. Your first name, your last name, your country will be selected already, your mobile phone number will be there, and as well as the address, your street address right here, your state or province, or in our terms in Ghana, your region that you are in, as well as your city. Make sure you fill out all this information, and after you are done filling out all this information right here, if you don't know your address or anything, you can use the Ghana Postal Service app so that you can also check your current address at where that you are living right now. You can also use the Ghana Postal Service for that. And make sure when you check, you also screenshot it down, because most of the times nowadays when you are going to do something, they will ask you for your postal address so that you can give it to them. After this is done, all you need to do is to click on save right here to save these details, and you can see my address. I just added it. Click on confirm address. After I click on it, you will see all these fancy animations again. So cut the price of them all. So they'll bring all these animations. Simply click on cut a great deal. Simply click on continue. Anything that you see, continue or move ahead. You will see that they will cut the price of the items. They will cut them until it reach 1 Ghana cedis. Yes, just 1 Ghana cedi, and they will ask you to also invite people to fill up that 1 Ghana cedi, and when you are done with that, you'll be able to get your items for free. But I tell you, this is not an easy job. You have to also listen to this part very carefully so that you can get more referrals, because if you don't refer people well, you can refer, but still you won't end up getting anything. So you can see, I'll just brush through this process quickly for you to also see. And right here, they will ask you to also copy your link. Simply copy it, and it will give you more bonus until the price is totally cut to just 1 Ghana cedi, so that you can also bring people to fill this up. So you can see right through here that they have cut the price to 17 cedis. Here they are cutting the price more, 9 cedis, and here we go. This side is invite again. I'll click on copy, and they have cut the price, the 8 cedi out of it, and you can see it's left with just 1 Ghana cedis. Now there is another rule that you need to know. As you have left with 1 Ghana cedis, you only have 24 hours. Yes, just a day from the time that you also started the event till the next day, the same time that you started the event, to refer your friends, or else you can also earn the free gift. You have just 24 hours to refer your friends. If you don't refer them within that 24 hours, you will lose everything, and you have to start all over again. And remember, this is not forever, because they have closed this promotion before, and they have also opened it right now. That is why I even made this video earlier to also show you, but I stopped because they closed the promotion and they have opened it. That is why I'm also making this video. So make sure after also getting this, you hurry up and also refer others with this strategy that I'm going to also show you. If you love this video and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also comment down below any difficulties that you have when also doing this. So they will show you all these animations. All you need to do is to copy your referral link and also share this with others. Now here is a strategy that I want you to use. Whenever you copy your referral link, make sure you go to someone's DM directly, someone that you think that they haven't registered, or you can simply go to them and ask them in their DM. If they haven't registered, simply send the link to them and tell them to also register with your link, or download the app and register for you. Because if you spam this link, you know many people have been spamming link in WhatsApp group and all of that, so people won't believe you. So make sure you also use this link to go to people's DM, tell them what this is about, and also explain everything to them so that they can also register with your link. Because if you don't do that, when the 24 hours is over, everything that you have done will be also lost. Now the referral program is a little bit different. Some people can refer up to 30 people before they can also cross that 1 cedi mark and get their free gift. Some people can refer just 9 people. Some people can even refer just 5 people to also get this free gift from Temu. So it all depends on them, and if you work hard to also get it, you will also get, because many people have gotten this already. Created a Telegram channel. The link will be down in the comment section of this video as well, so you can get into the Telegram channel so that I can get more update that I will also post. If you want to watch how I grew a YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days, make sure you click on the video on the screen right now.